Is your Epson printer just refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Well, this is the most common issue Epson printer owners run into. In this video, I'm going to walk you through various effective solutions to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network in no time. But if the problem does not resolve even using the solutions in this video, then feel free to call the on-screen numbers for one-on-one expert assistance. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Fix it manually. First of all, turn off your printer. Then, unplug the power cable from the back of the printer. Now, wait for 5 minutes to let it fully reset. Plug the power cable back in. Turn on your printer and then reconnect it to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Reset your printer. On your printer's display, scroll through the menu and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Restore Default Settings. Select Clear Data and Settings. Press OK to confirm and follow any remaining on-screen prompts. If you're finding these steps easy to follow and helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Change your Wi-Fi settings. Check if the router has MAC address filtering enabled and make sure your printer is allowed. If your Wi-Fi network name contains any special symbols, rename it to something simple. If your problem is not resolved even after using the above solutions, then follow the next solutions to update your printer firmware. Method 4. Update your Epson firmware. Connect your Epson printer to your computer using a USB cable. Open your browser and head to the official Epson firmware update page. Scroll down and click Download it here under the Epson Software Updater section. Scroll down and click the download button that matches your computer's operating system. Choose where to save the file on your computer and click Save. Once the download is complete, find the file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Agree and then hit OK to proceed. If the Epson Software Updater window, select your printer model from the list. Check the box next to the Firmware Updater and uncheck everything else. Then click Uninstall Items. Click Agree and then OK to begin. Read through the on-screen instructions and precautions carefully before moving forward. Click the up arrow in the taskbar notification area. Right-click on the printer icon and select Open all active printers. Click the Printers tab in the top left corner and then select Cancel all documents. Click Yes to confirm and clear on pending print jobs. Press the power button to turn off your printer and then turn it back on. Go back to the Epson Firmware Update window and click the Start button to begin the update. Once the update finishes, Click Finish to close the window. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.